In 1980s, a man named Chris Gardner was struggling to make ends meet. He was a homeless single father with his little son. One day, he had to sleep in one of the bathrooms in San Francisco's subways because he couldn't afford going to a hotel at that time. One day, he was walking in the park when he saw a man getting off his red Ferrari. So he approached this man and asked him, "What do you do for a living?" The red Ferrari driver said, "I'm a stockbroker." Chris Gardner was intrigued by his answer, and he decided to pursue a career as stockbroker. He worked really hard and tirelessly to pass the licensing exam of stock brokerage until he one day landed an internship at a brokerage firm. He worked day and night to be a successful person despite the setbacks that he faced in his life as a homeless person. Chris Gardner was determined to never look back and work really hard until all of his work in the financial industry paid off and became a financial stockbroker and a successful entrepreneur. The moral of the lesson is, no matter how much difficult your circumstances may be, if you have the will and determination to become a successful person and become the pioneer in your field, you get the chance and you still have the shot to do that, especially in places like Iraq and Middle East, where you can have the job opportunity if you prove to yourself that you are the real shot for that job or that position. Chris Gardner's story was an inspiration to many movies and documentaries. Will Smith played the role of Chris Gardner in the movie The Pursuit of Happiness that was based on the story of Chris Gardner. I highly recommend you watch this movie if you haven't yet. Have a wonderful day.